Hello everyone, I'm here to record a short video on Microsoft Dynamics D365. I'm going to talk today only about the POS functionalities. I'm going to show you a video only on the POS functionalities. Now D365 has two kinds of POS. One is the cloud POS, which is the URL based, and then you have the modern POS, which is a small application on your desktop which you would be double clicking and opening like any other application on your desktop. Today I'm going to take you through the cloud POS, which is a URL based, so you can see the URL over here, and this is the POS feature where you will log in. The look and feel of the modern POS and the cloud POS is one and the same. The same login feature you will be getting in if you go through modern POS also. So right now I'm going to log into the system. There are two methods, user ID password, which is the traditional method, and you can have a magnetic swipe card. So now I'm keying in my user ID and my password, and I'm going to log into the system. Now when you log into the system, it will take you into your welcome screen. So the best part of the D365 is your POS is enriched with a lot of functionalities, and you can swipe across. If it's a touch screen, you can swipe across and see there is a lot of functionalities loaded into your screen. Now all this, what you see here, is role based, and here you can see who the person has logged in, to which store, and what is the register number. These functionalities will be visible depending on your role. There are a few other buttons over here, tabs, which you can use to go into the screens. Like this is a home screen. Then you have catalogs here. You have some other search filters over here. You have your transaction screen over here. Okay. And you can see what is available in your cart at the moment. So there are two items available. And this is your transaction screen, wherein your items which you scan in would be coming here. The details about the bill will be over here, and you will have your PIN pad if you are allowed to type. And there are a lot more features available here which you will be using. Your tender types are available here. You have other tabs also, which has other functionalities which you will be able to load according to your wish. And anytime you want to go to the main screen, you can just click on home button and get back to your welcome page. So this is a gist of how your point of sale will look in D365. I'll be back with more videos. Thank you.